Hello members, good morning. So in today's video, our focus will be on Nifty. Nifty has risen dramatically, almost 700 points of rally in almost from 24th July. The last six trading sessions, we have risen almost 700 points in slow and steady fashion. So how to capture these kind of moves? Now I've already discussed all this. So we made a video which was for everyone. Basically, we made a video on 23rd only, which is Mercury turning direct, big reversal coming. So this was the video which we have created, and it was open for everyone. And after that, the market has seen a massive rally in the market. So, how to capture these kind of moves is something what we'll be focusing on. So, now what to do? So, first thing is we need to understand the difference between direct motion and retrograde motion. Now, direct motion means normal movement of a planet object in the same direction. Retrograde means movement in opposite direction of the primary body. So, generally, whenever a planet is in retrograde, generally as it is going in opposite direction, it leads to some negative movements in the market, or it leads to a negative thinking of the human beings which lead to some negative movement. And direct motion means it is moving in the same direction, so which generally leads to some positive move. Now, for every instrument like Nifty, the biggest weightage for the market is Reliance. Now, Reliance is a communication because Reliance Jio and all that, so that is why Mercury plays a very crucial role. Now, if you see in the similar fashion from 24th, Bank Nifty has not risen so much. See here, Bank Nifty from 24th has not done anything, but Nifty has done wonderfully well. And if you see, it's communication. So if I look at Nifty IT, it has done one CNX IT. See here how beautifully it has moved from 24th July. So this is where it's very important for planet. You cannot just say Mercury turning direct, it will impact everything. It will not happen that way. It impacts, so anything which is related to communication will get impacted the most. Now, so this is our indicator, Graha, Grow and Gochar. These are all proprietary indicators. So if you see here, if I just put here, whenever Mercury turns direct, tell us. So see, Mercury turned direct on this day. After that, we bottom out. From there, we had a massive rally. Mercury turned direct here. Again, we bottom out and a big rally. It's not every time it moves. See, Mercury turned direct in Scorpio, which is a negative zodiac sign. We made a top, and from there we had a nice fall. Mercury moved in direct, and from there a bottom out, and market gave you a big move. So this is how, and even the most important thing, remember this 7th April. This is where the Donald Trump first time he has applied tariffs across the world, and the market opened with a huge gap down, made a perfect bottom. From there, such a nice rally came. So from here, bottom market had a wonderful rally. Again, when Mercury turned direct, again it made a bottom and a rally. So it's not a holy grail. And again, the major top which market has made on this day. This will also be when Mercury turned retrograde, I believe. So we don't have, okay. So you see here. So by now this is when Mercury is turning retrograde. From there also, we tend to get some big moves. So this is how, the market helps you in finding some big moves. So always remember, whenever a planet is turning direct or retrograde, it is very important. Now see Saturn. Saturn turned retrograde recently. Now Saturn impacts which planet? It impacts steel stocks a lot, right? Saturn is for anything which is related to hard work. So Tata Steel, let's take a open the chart. See, Tata Steel exactly bottom out when Saturn entered retrograde. From there, we had a good rally. Let's take Jindal Steel just for the sake of an example. So knowing which plant, see Jindal Steel, from there we are seeing a nice rally in Jindal Steel also. And now, you know, Neptune will also turn retrograde. Sorry, Neptune will turn direct, not retrograde. I'll just select both direct and retrograde. So this will happen on 14th of December. So this is also a very, very important day. So Neptune turn retrograde here. Now this should impact pharma stocks. Neptune generally impact pharma stocks. So let's take an example of DV's lab for sake of an example. So knowing which planet will go retrograde with DV's lab. Perfect bottom here. From there, such a massive rally came into this stock. Right? This can be used for investors, for traders, everyone. So, but knowing which instrument, which planet impacts is the most important thing. So now, if you take about Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty generally gets impacted by Venus and Jupiter. Venus and Jupiter, they impact Bank Nifty a lot. So now major turning date for this can be 5th October. So see here, this Jupiter turned retrograde. From there, Bank Nifty had a big move. So again, there are a lot of ways we can understand this, but this is something which I wanted to understand. So whenever a planet goes in retrograde and direct, this is very important. Now, what are the planets going retrograde and direct for the coming, for the coming months? So let's quickly let me show you that for 2026, for the remainder of 2026, what is happening. So from August, September, October, November, let me share for 2 months, August and September. So Rahu, we should know, I mean, Rahu, Uranus is turning on 10th of September, so which is very important. Remember, very important for IT stocks. And let me change October also. So Rahu keeps going retrograde and direct very frequently, and it leads to some big moves. So Venus is also, keep an eye on 3rd October for Bank Nifty. Mercury is again on 24th, very very important day for Nifty. So you can, I mean, make a note of these things. And again, this indicator is there. This is available on my website for a, for a monthly fees. But again, if even if you don't out these all informations are available free of cost. Just go and Google retrogrades of a planet, and you will be you can easily see that. But this is how planet retrograde and direct helps you in capturing some big moves. And these are basics of astrology, but they are very very powerful again. And you can see here how beautifully the market moved from here. So sorry, Nifty, yeah, how beautifully the market moved from this day. So that's about it. And I wish you guys all the best. And thank you very much for watching the video. Stay disciplined.